SCUSD's College and Career Readiness Department is pleased to partner with the Sacramento Valley Manufacturing Alliance and 9 manufacturing companies to provide our high school students with tours in which they get the chance to explore the manufacturing industry, engage with employees in the field, learn about production and assembly, and actually get to test out some equipment. And these are all work-based learning experiences designed to support our students on their path to becoming college and career ready. Our SCUSD guiding principle of ensuring that all of our students are given the opportunity to graduate with the greatest number of post-secondary choices from the widest array of options. Our career technical education pathways programs are phenomenal in preparing our students to think about life beyond high school. And a lot of these experiences that we offer here at the district is intended to get them ready for potential internship placements, down the line apprenticeships, and then also placements at a work site. In fact, in a few of our manufacturing tours, we had former alumni from a few of our high schools come and speak with our students on their experience when they were in high school and then also now working in some of these manufacturing companies. And that really helps our students connect some of those dots while they're in high school to really see themselves thriving in that professional setting in that company. One of the things that we want to really emphasize through our SCUSD College and Career Department College and Career Readiness, is the importance of being college and career equipped. You know, we want to move away from a either or to a both and. We want to ensure that our students are equipped with the skills that they need to flourish in college or career, whatever that looks like after they graduate.
Just looking around, I've never seen how signs are actually made. It's really rewarding to see your hard work paid off after you put in the time and effort into making something.
It's I have a parent. My dad, he works really hard. He was in the union for a couple years. Now he's a heavy equipment mechanic. I've always wanted to work with my hands. I don't want to sit behind a computer. I can't sit behind a desk for 8 hours a day. I have to be doing something.
I decided to do that because I really like just building stuff. Since childhood, I like making designs for everything. To find out that there was an entire program for a bunch of other kids like me was absolutely an amazing thing to find out.
The Rosemont ECD program is really helpful because I know, like, even as a freshman, I didn't want to do like the normal way of going through, high school and then going to university. I knew that wasn't really for me, and it helped me learn a lot of problem-solving skills and mature as a person and learn a lot of life skills.
Hey, I've never been in a place like this, so it's really interesting to see people like in the field doing stuff that I want to do in the future.
What I think about the tour so far, I think it's great. I love what they're doing here. Everything's organized, all the work, they're always productive. I would genuinely want to be here if I had the chance.
What inspired me to be a part of this program and to ultimately take over the leadership position is the opportunity to help create the future of tomorrow today. To build an opportunity for my students to go out into the world and make it a better place, to remake what they live and what they experience. And to do so while creating a good, well-paying job and a career for themselves. For years and years and years, education has been selling a bill of false goods, that if you don't go to college, you'll end up being a ditch digger. Well, the ditch digger is a vital part of our society. Anybody wants to be an engineer or a doctor or a lawyer, but when your toilet starts talking back to you at 10 o'clock at night, the only job that matters is the plumber. And we need to value all facets of our society. It makes us better people. It makes us a better society. And it makes a thriving economy. You need to have that diversity of experiences. And so having students that are told that this is a valuable part of how we live, it takes the appreciation and spreads it evenly. Everybody wants to be a superstar, but everybody can be a superstar if we are all told that we're all valuable. And there's a place for everybody in the skilled trades.
So every November, our students have the opportunity to register for programs based on their interests. At SCUSD, we have a plethora of opportunities for our students representing different industry sectors, including agricultural natural resources, engineering and architecture, health science and medical technology, public services, as well as marketing, sales, and services. For more information, visit us at scusd.edu.